This ancient Japanese tree replaced millions of elms lost to disease. Meet the Japanese Zelkova, known in Japan as keyaki, a majestic deciduous tree with a graceful vase-shaped crown, revered for centuries for its strength, beauty, and extraordinary wood. Some keyaki trees in Japan are over 1,000 years old. The wood is so prized that large logs can sell for tens of thousands of dollars, and shrines and temples across Japan were built with it. Each leaf carries 8 to 14 tiny saw teeth on every side, which is where the name serrata comes from. It thrives in cities too, tolerating pollution, compacted soil, and moderate drought. And when autumn arrives, the canopy explodes into yellow, orange, copper, and reddish-brown. Plant in early spring before the buds break, or in autumn if you're in a milder climate. Give it full sun for the best growth and fall color, and choose deep, well-drained soil. Space it at least 10 to 15 meters from other large trees or buildings to let that broad canopy fully develop. Do prune young trees early to develop a strong branch structure, because without it, narrow crotch angles can split in storms. Do mulch around the root zone, but keep it away from the trunk. Don't overwater or plant in waterlogged soil, and don't underestimate how large this tree gets. It needs room. From ancient temple beams in Japan to tree-lined boulevards across the world, the keyaki endures. Plant one today, and you're planting something that could still be standing 1,000 years from now. Restore, protect, inspire.